Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to delete your BeNaughty account on your phone, either it be an Android or an iOS. So let's get straight into it. Now first go to your BeNaughty on a web browser and then go to your profile section in the bottom right corner. So as you can see here, profile, and here as you can see I have my profile, I have my settings, etc. So I will just go to my settings and here just search for the remove account button. So click on remove account, and once you are here you will be asked to enter your password. So let me enter it real quick, and then here let's continue. Now scroll down a bit and choose an option below. So take me off the mailing list, hide my profile, etc. So you can choose them all. You can also choose from these settings. So I will let you see what preferences you want. So let's go to continue. And here, why do you want to remove your profile? So either I have found someone on BeNaughty, elsewhere it's too expensive, etc. Just go to continue, and then here it will tell you, are you sure you want to cancel repeat billing? So just go to yes, I want to remove my account, and then go to continue. Now you will have to enter your email. So once you have entered your email, just go to continue, and then here you will have this thank you message, I guess, and then you can click on OK and your account will be deleted. So that was it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.